Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PayPal app. You will go to settings as you see and we click. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here of apps, you will search about the application of PayPal and you will click. In this window here of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.